Understanding, commend someone for, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and important phrase, commend someone for. Understanding this phrase will not only help you in formal English communication but also in appreciating others' achievements and efforts. So, let's get started and explore how to use this phrase effectively in your daily English conversations. When you commend someone for something, you are praising or expressing approval for their actions, achievements, or qualities. It's a way of acknowledging someone's good work or behavior in a formal or semi-formal context. The phrase is often used in professional settings, award ceremonies, and written recommendations, but can also be used in personal conversations to express admiration or respect. Using commend someone for in a sentence is straightforward. The structure generally follows this pattern. Commend plus someone plus for plus. Reason, achievement. Here are some examples to help you understand. The teacher commended the student for his hard work and dedication. I would like to commend you for your outstanding performance on the project. Notice how the phrase is used to specifically highlight what the person is being commended for. This not only makes your appreciation clear but also personalizes the praise, making it more meaningful to the recipient. Let's look at how commend someone for can be used in various contexts. In a job recommendation letter, I commend Jane for her exceptional leadership skills and her dedication to team success. In a school setting, the principal commended the students for their excellent behavior during the field trip. In a personal note, I want to commend you for always being there for me during difficult times. These examples show that regardless of the setting, commending someone for their positive qualities or achievements is a powerful way of expressing admiration and encouragement. Understanding and using the phrase, commend someone for, is a wonderful way to express appreciation and approval in English. It's not just about praising, it's about recognizing and valuing the efforts and achievements of others. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your journey to mastering English. Remember, every step forward in learning a new language opens up a world of opportunities. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.